Amelia got into some of my costume jewelry and she found a pretty. Oh, what are you doing? Can I have my pretty back? Please? Can I have it? No, no way. Can I have it, please? Can I have it? No way, she says. Do you like that pretty? Pretty. Amelia, can I have my pretty back? Please? No way. Do you like your pretty? What have you got? Can I have it? Gentle to the pretty. There's no getting it back. Do you like it? Yeah. You silly thing. Oh, it's pretty on your ankle. Very nice. On your toes. Ooh. Show me your pretty. Show it, babies. You want it on your ankle? Mama. Do you want Mama have it? Yes or no? Can Mama have it? Bang, bang, bang. You monkey.